Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I actually get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I have a pattern set and I know it, but I will progress. Actually, wait, no, I think that's a lie. I think you can't actually do that anymore, but we'll see in a second, I guess. So typically you'll be able to remove it, but I guess I'm going to put that to the test. I think it's actually not working anymore. But in any case, if you want to reset your device and you also know your pattern, you can do it, no problem. Let's try it without knowing it. So we're going to plug in the cable. And what you want to do is hold your power button and the volume down till the device forcibly shuts off. The moment it does, you want to switch to power button and volume up instead. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's first light up the screen. I want to interact with it just so it doesn't time out. There we go, it's off, so I'm switching to power button, volume up, and when the Galaxy logo shows up, let go of the power button. And we actually can boot into recovery mode, so never mind. We still can reset the device without providing screen lock. So, in here, I can unplug the cable like I just did. It was only to get us into this mode. And using the volume button, specifically volume down to navigate down, you want to select wipe data factory reset. Then press power button to confirm it. Select factory data reset the same way. Confirm that with the power button again. And you can see it quickly goes through a reset, tells us that data wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default. So press power button once more. Now I want to point out one thing. While this is automatically finishing up the reset, when doing this kind of reset, for the most part, your device will become locked and you will need to verify it while going through the setup process. Now, there's a couple things. I have only removed screen lock from here, and that is also the only thing that was set on this device, screen lock. But if you had Google or Samsung account signed in, you will need to verify one of those. Now, priority is Samsung account over Google account, but if you don't have one signed in, then it will default to Google account instead. And without providing either your Samsung/Google or your pattern, at least that was my case, you will not be able to finish up the setup. And typically there were options to ways to bypass this and remove it, but with the newer versions of Android, the 15, 14s, this has no longer been an option. So just want to point that out. Now, as you can see, the reset is now finished, and you can set up your device in whatever way you want, as long as you don't need to verify it. So in any case, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.